Hello students, hi everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Yes, today we are going to look part 12 of linear equation in one variable. Is about new pattern of questions and new concept. That is reducing equations to simpler form or equations reducible to linear form. Okay. Yes. Example 17. Solution. Solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal x by 3 plus 1 by 2. We have variable on both sides with their rational coefficients. So, we have to reduce this equation to this simplest form. Okay? Yes. First of all, write down the given equation. Given equation is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now, denominators of LHS and RHS are 2, 4, 3, 2. So, denominators of LHS and RHS are 2, 4, 3, and LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to what? 12. So that multiplying with 12 on the both sides of given equation. So multiply now. 12 into LHS is x by 2 minus 1 by 4. So LHS is being multiplied by 12. Now multiply this 12 to RHS. What is RHS? That is x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Distribute this 12 to x by 2 and 1 by 4. X by 3 and 1 by 2 in RHS also. 12 into x, 12x by 2 minus 12 ones are 12 by 4 is equal to 12 into x, 12x by 3 plus 12 ones are 12 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, 4 ones are 4, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 4s are 2 ones are 2, 6 are. What we have? 6x by 1 nothing but 6x minus 3 by 1 nothing but 3, 4x by 1 that is 4x plus 6 by 1 is 6. So taking variable terms to one side and constant terms to another side, that is 6x transpose 4x to LHS, we get minus 4x. In RHS keep plus 6 and transpose minus 3 to RHS, we get plus 3. 6 minus 4 that is 2x equal to 9. X equal to what? 9 by 2. Solving the given equation means we have to find the variable value, that is x. So x equal 9 by 2 is the solution of given equation. Okay. In a similar manner, we have same question in exercise 2.5, first question, that is 7th one is homework for you people. Okay. Next question, example 18. Solve x minus 4 by 7 minus of x plus 4 by 5 which is equal to x plus 3 by 7. So this is a given equation. We have to reduce this equation to its simplest form. So write down given equation. Given equation is x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Now the denominators in LHS and RHS are 7, 5, 7, that is 7 comma 5, and LCM of 7 comma 5 is 35. So Multiply 35 on both sides of the given equation. We get 35 times of x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5, which is equal to 35 times of x plus 3 by 7. Now distribute this 35 times of x minus 4 by 7. Yes, 35 times of x minus 4 by 7 minus 35 times of x plus 4 by 5, which is equal to 35 times of x plus 3 by 7. Yes. Now 7 ones are 7 fives are, 5 ones are 5 sevens are, 7 ones are 7 fives are. That is 5 of x minus 4 minus 7 of x plus 4, which is equal to 5 of x plus 3. 5 of x plus 3. Now distribute this 5 here and minus 7 here and 5 in RHS. 5 into x, so 5x minus 5 fours are 20 minus 7 into x, minus 7x minus 7 into plus 4, minus 28. Since minus of plus is minus, 7 fours are 28. Similarly, 5x, 5x plus 5 threes are 50. Like terms on both sides gets cancelled. We have minus 7x minus 28 minus 20, that is minus 48, which is equal to 50. Minus 7x equal to 15 plus 48 on transposing minus 48 to RHS. That is minus 7x equal to 63. 48 plus 15 is 63. That is x equal to 63 by minus 7. 7 ones are 7 nines are. X equal to minus 9 by 1, that is minus 9. So x equal minus 9 is the solution of given equation. Okay. In the similar manner, we have 11th and 12th. The similar manner, 11th and 12th are homework for you people. Try yourself. Okay. These two are homework for you people. Try yourself. Next question, important one. Example 19. Solve the equation 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 equal 12 by 7. Yes. Since as x is variable, that means it takes values. So variable x is nothing but it's a numerical value. As x is a number, 5x plus 2 is also a number. And similarly 2x plus 3 also represents a number. So that write down given equation. Given equation is 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3, which is equal to 12 by 7. But this equation is not in linear form. This equation is not in its linear form, but it can be reducible to its linear form. Since denominator of LHS is 2x plus 3, denominator of RHS is 7. So LCM of these two is product of 7 and 2x plus 3. Okay. Now multiply with 7 of 2x plus 3 on both sides of the given equation. We get, since actually LHS of given equation is 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3, but we have to multiply it by 7 times of 2x plus 3. RHS is 12 by 7, but we have to multiply it by 7 times of 2x plus 3. Numerator 2x plus 3, denominator 2x plus 3 gets cancelled. Numerator 7, denominator 7 gets cancelled. What we have? 7 times of 5x plus 2 in LHS, 12 times of 2x plus 3 in RHS. Distribute this 7 here. 7 5s are 35x plus 7 2s are 14. 12 2s are 24x plus 12 3s are 36. Consider variable terms to LHS, constant terms to RHS. Transpose plus 24x from RHS to LHS, we get 35x minus 24x. Keep 36 in RHS. Transpose plus 14, we get minus 14. 35 minus 24, that is 11x equal 22. X equal what? 22 by 11. 11 ones are 11 twos are, that is 2 by 1 is 2. Therefore, x equal what? 2. So, x equal to is the solution of given equation. Okay. We have similar question in exercise 2.5 first bit, that is 8th one, 9th one, 10th one. These three are homework for you people. Try yourself. Okay. Next question, example 20. Solve the equation x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 equal 4 by 7. Write down the given equation. Given equation is x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 which is equal 4 by 7. Okay. So, denominator of LHS is 3x plus 16 and denominator of RHS is 7. And LCM of these two is 7 times of 3x plus 16. Multiplying both sides of equation by 7 times of 3x plus 16 is same as doing cross multiplication. Doing cross multiplication. Both are equal. So, consider the cross multiplication. Therefore, by cross multiplication, what is cross multiplication? Numerator of LHS, that is x plus 7, into denominator of RHS, that is 7, equal to numerator of RHS, that is 4, into denominator of LHS. This is what we call cross multiplication. Now distribute this 7 into x, 7x plus 7 7s are 49, and here distribute 4 3s are 12x plus 4 16s are 64. Now consider variable terms to RHS, constant terms to LHS, that is 49 minus 64 equal to 12x minus 7x, that is minus 15 minus 64 plus 49, that is minus 15 equal to 12 minus 7 5x, minus 15 by 5 equal to what? X, that is 5 ones are 5 3s are, so x equal to minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. So minus 3 is the solution of given equation. So 8th, 9th, 10th problem can be done in cross multiplication also. Now we have some other questions in first question of exercise 2.5. Let us see some of the questions and their solutions. Okay, first question, n by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal 2 by 3. Given equation is n by 5 minus 5 by 7 which is equal 2 by 3. So LCM of denominator 5 7 3 is, since all are prime numbers, their product is their LCM, that is 105. Okay, 5 7s are 35, 35 3s are 105. So multiply with 105 to the both sides of equation, we get 105 times of n by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal 105 times of 2 by 3. Okay. Now distribute this 105 into n, 105 n by 5 minus 105 into 5 by 7 which is equal to 105 into 2 by 3. But 5 ones are 5 21s are 105, 7 ones are 7 15s are 105, 3 ones are 3 35 are 105. So what we left? 21n minus 5 15s are 75, which is equal 35 2s are 70. Transpose minus 75 to RHS, we get 70 plus 75, well, that is 145. N equal what? 145 by 21. 145 by 21. Okay, yes. Therefore, n equal 145 by 21 is a solution of given equation. Second question, fourth question, fifth question are homework for you people. Just convert it into improper fraction. Here also convert them first into improper fraction. Okay. Let us see. As well as third question is also homework for people. Let us see the solution of sixth problem. Okay. Next and last question, that is sixth one of exercise 2.5. Sixth question, x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equal 1 by 5. We have to solve the equation. Write down given equation. Given equation. That is x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Observe the denominators in LHS and RHS 2, 5, 10. So LCM of 2, 5, 10 is 10. As 10 is the multiple of common multiple of 2 and 5 and 10. So multiplying 10 on both sides of LHS, that is x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10, which is equal 10 into 1 by 5. Now distribute this 10 to 4 terms of the LHS, then we get 10x by 2 minus 10 4s are 40 by 5 plus 10 into x, 10x by 5 plus 10 3s are 30x by 10, which is equal 10 by 5. 10 ones are 10 by 5. Now 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5 8s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, 10 ones are 10 3s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, gets cancelled. What we left in LHS and RHS, let us write 5 into x by 1, 5x minus 8 plus 2x plus 3x equal 2. So 5x, 2x, 3x are like terms in LHS, add them, we get 10x. Transpose minus 8 to RHS, we get 2 plus 8. That is 10x equal what? 10. X equal 10 by 10. 10 by 10 nothing but 1. So x equal 1 is the solution of given equation. Similarly, third question is homework for you people. Try yourself. Okay. Okay students, this completes the part 12 of linear equation one variable. Thank you. Have a nice day.